Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how can you fix a app not installed on Android phone. So guys, if you are using any Android device and when you want to install any APK file and facing this type of issue again and again, as you can see here, when I am going to install this app on my Android phone and facing this issue again and again, as you can see here is the option of app not installed. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, open your settings. From here you have to scroll it down, click on app management, and now you have to click on special app access. And here you can see the option of install unknown apps. From here you have to allow your file manager and Google Chrome and Drive from you want to install your app. For example, now I am going to install my app from file manager, therefore I am going to open file manager and turn on this. After this you have to allow files also, and now you have to go back. And guys, after this you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your Play Store and click on your main profile icon. After this, now you can see it is the option of Play Protect. Click on settings. From here you have to turn off both. So guys, as you can see here, and after this you have to go back and you need to install that app again and check that our problem has been fixed or not. So guys, you have to wait and we will check that. Now you can see our problem has been fixed and that app has been successfully installed on my Android phone. So guys, this is the way to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.